For years now, truck shoppers have been asking the same nagging question over and over again. Is the classic V8 engine finally on its way out for good? With car makers pouring billions of dollars into electric trucks, small turbocharged four-cylinders, and hybrid systems, it started to feel like the big American V8 might slowly fade into the background and quietly disappear. Well, General Motors just answered that question, and it answered it loud and clear for the whole industry to hear. The all-new 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 rolls out with two completely redesigned sixth-generation small-block V8 engines. And that single move proves Chevrolet is not walking away from V8 power anytime soon, especially not for the buyers who tow, haul, and work their trucks hard every single day of the week, rain or shine. This is not a simple update bolted onto the same old engines from before. GM went all the way back to the drawing board and built an entirely new generation of V8Es from the ground up, engineered to deliver more power, tougher durability, better efficiency, and stronger towing numbers than anything that came before it. Chevrolet is calling this the most powerful Silverado ever built. And honestly, the real headline here is not just that the V8 survived another generation, it is that these engines are brand new, completely redone from top to bottom, inside and out. The 2027 Silverado says goodbye to the outgoing 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8s and welcomes in new 5.7-liter and 6.6-liter sixth-generation small-block engines to take their place. Chevrolet says these new engines are built on more than 70 years of V8 know-how, combined with modern engineering aimed squarely at boosting performance, refinement, and long-term reliability. GM has not revealed every single engineering detail just yet, but the company has confirmed the goal was clear from the start: more horsepower, more torque, better efficiency, and stronger towing capability, all while still meeting today's tougher emissions rules. These new engines also stick with GM's long-running pushrod V8 design, a layout that is prized in the truck world for being compact, keeping a lower center of gravity, and holding up mile after mile over the long haul. So why exactly did GM pour billions of dollars into V8 technology at a time when so much of the rest of the industry seems focused elsewhere, on batteries and electric motors? Building an entirely new V8 lineup from scratch is not cheap, not by a long shot, and it is a massive bet on the future. General Motors has committed hundreds of millions of dollars across several North American plants just to gear up for sixth-generation V8 production. That includes roughly $888 million poured into the Tonawanda propulsion plant in New York alone, plus more funding heading to Flint engine operations in Michigan, along with additional investment flowing into Canadian engine manufacturing facilities. These upgrades are all about locking in production capacity for the next wave of full-size trucks and SUVs for years to come, well into the future. Industry watchers see this level of investment as a clear signal that GM expects gas-powered full-size trucks to stay in high demand for a long time, even as hybrids and EVs keep expanding their footprint across the market. This engine was built with real truck owners in mind. Turbocharged engines keep gaining fans, sure, but plenty of Silverado buyers still want exactly what a V8 has always delivered best: smooth, low-end torque, predictable towing behavior, strong acceleration under a heavy load, proven long-term durability, and a simpler mechanical setup compared to a lot of the turbocharged alternatives out there. Experts point out that naturally aspirated V8s tend to deliver more consistent power while towing, since maximum torque is available right away without leaning on turbo boost to get there. That is a big deal for owners who regularly haul trailers, boats, campers, or job site equipment day in and day out. GM clearly built these new engines as work-first power plants made for owners who expect dependable performance across hundreds of thousands of miles, as long as it gets proper maintenance along the way. But this truck is a lot more than just a bigger, stronger engine sitting under the hood. The improvements on the 2027 Silverado go way beyond the engine bay and into every corner of the truck. Chevrolet redesigned the truck inside and out with a more modern look, plus a serious tech upgrade throughout the entire cabin. Highlights include a standard 16.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, a 12.2-inch digital driver display, an available 11.5-inch front passenger screen, available hands-free, Super Cruise driving with trailering support built right in, refreshed exterior styling with a wider stance, upgraded LED lighting front and rear, and a redesigned interior featuring new materials and updated controls throughout. Chevrolet says the available displays combine for more than 60 inches of total screen space, making this one of the most advanced cabins you will find anywhere in the full-size pickup class today. And GM is still keeping plenty of engine choices on the table for buyers. Even with the new V8S stealing the spotlight, Chevrolet is not narrowing down the lineup one bit. The 2027 Silverado still offers a 2.7-liter TurboMax 4-cylinder, a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel, inline-six, the new 5.7-liter 6th-generation V8, and the new 6.6-liter 6th-generation V8. Every single one of those engines pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission, which keeps things simple while helping dial in acceleration, towing, and fuel economy across the board. That kind of range means buyers can pick based on whatever matters most to them, whether that is fuel savings, maximum towing muscle, off-road capability, or that classic unmistakable V8 power. So what exactly are the experts saying about all this, and why does it matter so much right now? Automotive analysts see GM's new V8 program as a calculated business move, not just a nostalgia play aimed at longtime fans of the brand. Even with electric vehicles growing fast across the entire industry, the North American full-size truck market keeps showing strong, steady demand for gas-powered pickups year after year. Commercial fleets, contractors, ranchers, and weekend towing customers still lean heavily on internal combustion power, thanks to longer driving range, faster refueling stops, and dependable heavy-duty performance when it matters most out on the job. GM modernized the entire V8 platform with updated, forward-thinking engineering that improves efficiency while still holding on to everything truck owners already love about it. Industry watchers also point out that a lot of buyers still prefer naturally aspirated engines simply because they skip some of the added complexity that comes with turbochargers, especially when you're talking about long-term ownership and high mileage use over many years. Looking ahead, the 2027 Silverado stands out as one of Chevrolet's biggest truck updates in years, maybe even the biggest in a long while. Instead of swapping the V8 out for smaller engines across the board like some rivals have done, General Motors just proved that internal combustion technology is still moving forward, not standing still. This investment in 6th-generation V8 power suggests gas engines are going to stick around as a major part of Chevrolet's lineup, right alongside diesel and electrified options for years to come. For Silverado shoppers, that means more choice than ever before walking into the dealership. Whether you want maximum towing capability, long-distance fuel economy from the Duramax diesel, or that classic V8 feel under your right foot, this redesigned truck has a powertrain built for nearly every job you could throw at it. Bottom line, the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is way more than just a routine refresh. It is a genuine statement from General Motors. It brings in a brand new generation of V8 engines, backed by serious manufacturing investment and decades of hard-earned engineering know-how passed down through generations. Add in a redesigned cabin, advanced driver assistance features, and fresh exterior styling, and you can clearly see Chevrolet is still all in on the full-size truck market, not backing away from it one bit. While the rest of the industry keeps branching out into electric and hybrid options, GM's latest Silverado proves there is still huge demand out there for powerful, naturally aspirated V8 engines. By blending modern technology with proven truck capability, Chevrolet is aiming to build a Silverado that keeps longtime V8 enthusiasts happy, while also winning over a whole new generation of truck buyers who want performance, reliability, and everyday versatility, all wrapped up in one solid package, ready to work just as hard as the people who drive it, day after day, mile after mile, job after job, for years and years to come.